The New Hampshire Fire Marshal is launching a project focused on installing carbon monoxide alarms in schools and in homes.
It comes less than a month after a family of 4 was found dead from suspected carbon monoxide poisoning back on Christmas Day. Now, Matthew and Lila Goldstein, along with their 2 adult daughters, Valerie and Violet, all died. The family was from Massachusetts and were staying at a second home in Wakefield for the holidays. The New Hampshire State Fire Marshal said there were no working carbon monoxide alarms inside the home and encouraged people to make sure that they have them. To help with that, the Fire Marshal's office bought more than 2,000 alarms through a grant program from the U.S. Consumer Product Safety Commission. Leaders will be working to arrange visits at 600 schools in the state of New Hampshire. Some of the alarms will also go to the American Red Cross they use for an initiative that prioritizes fire and carbon monoxide safety. Carbon monoxide cannot be seen or smelled and can only be detected with an alarm or detector.